Okay, so what we have discussed yesterday, and many people say that in practical session, show all the things again. So from some minutes, I will show you all the things, and then today I will create AWS account for every attendees or every student. So first, let's discuss. Now I assume everyone knows what is AWS. AWS is a what? What is AWS? Just give me answer in chat. It's a cloud service provider. Simple. AWS is a cloud service provider. And AWS divided their data centers and first in a geography, for example, US and one India. So US doesn't change, for example, US, India. Let's try again. So US and India. What is this? This is a and cloud world or in IT world is called as a that is geography. After that, in US, again they have divided US in different parts. That is a East US, West US, Central US. In India, that is East India, North India, East India, and North India, and then South India. East. Not decorate because it will take time. So this is the East. West. Same thing here in India. So US India is a geography, and what is this East West Center? It is called as what it is called? Yes, it is called region. Regions, right? In different regions, they have established different what? Different. For example, okay, if they have established what they have established data center. Yes, they have established data center. Example here also. Now we'll fully focus in practical because many hours we have expanded for theoretical part. So, data center. In data center, Again, they have established multiple data center, and that is called as what? That is called as yes, availability zone. That is called as the availability zone. Why availability zone? For fault tolerance or failover. So it is called as simple. Just it's connected to each other. Is that is availability zone, and here is the data center. So AWS is a cloud provider company. Microsoft Azure is a cloud provider company, and they have divided the earth in a different geography. After that, they have divided in regions, and after that, in regions they have established a data center. In data center, again they have established different data center, and that is called as a availability zone. So these are the theoretical parts. In practical, so for practical environment for private data center, this is a VM lab session. But in background, AWS uses Citrix, and they will manage according to their infrastructure, according to their IT teams. But how they are managing, for that purpose, I am showing you this VMware lab. But in backend, AWS is also, or Microsoft is also managing the same thing. So I'm showing you how the availability zone, where is the availability zone, how the data centers, how is geography, how is region. In background, it is working. Let's take a 1 or 2 minute time for console. So just click it. So this is a geography. This is VCSA01 pop.local is a geography. They have created geography location. In geography location, they have created a regions. In regions, they have created a data centers, and in data centers, they have created a different server. So VCSA is a geography. In geography, there is a region. In region, they have created different data centers, ESX01, ESX02, and in that data centers, they have created different server or different machine or different operating system, Windows machine or Linux machine, any machine. So these are the overview of data center in backend. How they have created a region? That is in data center region, right click, loading school. So these are the data centers here, ES601, ES602. This is the new data center option. For example, they have created data center here, name is Mumbai. That they have to create a data center, that is data center Delhi. After the data center, then they have to create a cluster. What is a cluster? Anyone know what is a cluster? Let's try it with here. New cluster. That is cluster, that is if one data center down or if one server down, then the failover happen to the another server. So it is called as a cluster. That is a failover cluster or Windows cluster. So if one server down, the database or messaging things or documents move to the another server. So this is the first floor. Two participants raise hand. Yes. Question, please write in. Hi sir, you supposed to be show this in AWS, right? Yes, of course we'll suppose, but see, actually in AWS, yes, we definitely show this thing, but in backend, how they are managing, how they are doing that, that only done by AWS engineers. We will only create a machines and how they are doing a failover cluster, how they are managing, how they are creating a geography, how they are managing region, that done by AWS engineer. So for overview, I am showing this thing on a VMware lab, that is this lab. How the infrastructure designed by the AWS, how the infrastructure designed by Microsoft. So just overview, this is not a AWS lab, yes, but overview in backend, how the thing is going on, that I'm trying to show you on this lab session. So this is the first floor. For example, data center, right click, new cluster, that is second floor. So what I have done, this is a geography. In geography, I have created a data center Delhi. And in data center, I have created first floor and second floor. That is a cluster. In AWS, I have already said that its background is a Citrix and Microsoft Hyper-V. Then after that, they create a new virtual machine. Right click here, data center Delhi, create a new virtual machine. Till now, you understand how the thing is going on, or any question? Close the things. Okay. Till now you understand what I'm trying to show you. This is on geography location. In geography location, there is a region. In the region, they have created a data center. In data center, they created a machine. The same thing we also created. Explain about VMware, right? So these are our data center. I have created two data center. Data center one is Delhi, one is a Mumbai. In data center, we have created a cluster, that is the first floor and second floor. In that data center, now I am creating a virtual machine. So right click, new virtual machine. This is a private data center. That is, if you say that is a private cloud. This thing is working on a private cloud, or the background working on a private cloud or public cloud. In public cloud, AWS engineer will manage all the things. So we just go to create a new virtual machine, just reduce this size. So next button is coming here. Here next. Then which data center? This machine is created. We need to create in which data center. So suppose, for example, machine name. For example, my machine name is, for example, Exchange server, or we say messaging server or database server. For example, I am creating one Exchange server. Know what is Exchange server? Do people know what is Exchange server? Yes or no? Exchange server is a messaging server, that is for same as a Gmail, Yahoo. You create your own messaging server. It's called the Exchange server. For example, I am creating one. For example, I am selecting this in this region E01. This Exchange server is creating in the region E01. Okay. So this is the region. In region also, they ask me that is which data center. So, for example, I am creating on. I have done the right click, create a new virtual machine. In new virtual machine, they ask me the region, which region you need to create, what is the machine name. And after that, they ask me which region. So I have selected this region A01. In region also, that is, I have said that is in region, that is AZ, availability zone. So these are the two zone, availability zone. That is, I have selected this zone, 01. So these two are the availability zone. So for example, I have selected this zone and click on the next. Then this environment, VM environment, give me the capacity. That is, total capacity is 43.75 and provision 3157 and free is 22. So now 22.62 GB is free. They had given to me, that is 22.62 GB. This is a space. And then I need to click on next. Select the valid distribution storage. So first we need to select this one and then click on next. After that, compatibility, yes, this is a VMware compatibility, click on the next. Then which operating system you want? They ask me which operating system. For example, I need a Windows operating system and Windows Server 2008 64-bit. There is a different operating system right here, but by default, I am taking Windows Server 2008. Then click on the next. Then they ask me how much CPU you want. I need one CPU because this is a testing. And how much memory? For example, I need 1 GB memory. But depend upon your requirement, will increase or decrease. Hard disk, that is, I need a 1 GB hard disk. After that, I will click on the next button. Next. Then they show me all the things. That is, machine name is Exchange server, region that I have explained you on the paint. Region is A01. This is a host name. You know what is a host name? That is a machine name. Database. This data store. This is stored in this data store. OS name, CPU, RAM, all the details they will show. And after that, you click on the finish button. So what they have done? They have created one server, Exchange server here in a region A01. If I need to check, then what I need to do, you click on here, Exchange server. If you select here Exchange server and scroll down, that's something. So they will show you this region. This is the region. And geography, in geography region, in region data center, in data center availability zone. So this is the region. And this is your host name. Host name means computer name or machine name. This is a host name. Then for example, you need to migrate on another region. For example, you need to fail over or you need to move this Exchange server in a different region. Then what we need to do, we need to click here and click here migrate. For example, any scenarios happen in region A01 in this data center, and we need to move this exchange server. So this, for example, I need this exchange server. I need to move this exchange server to ESX02. So select this and then click on the next button. Next. Then again click on the next button. And it will show that is now cluster is A01, posted this, and then finish. Once we will move this, then if we go to the exchange server, so we have reason. Exchange server. Studio. Now this is host goes to ESX02. Firstly, it is present here, and now it is ESX02. Previously 01, and now it is in 01, 02. Now the storage. Storage means that is hard disk. How they are giving me the hard disk. So if you click here, this is the storage. This is storage for data center Delhi, data center Mumbai, region A01. This is the storage. Again, geography, same thing, region, data center. That is a availability zone. So for example, if you need to create a storage, data center, Delhi, right click, and then storage. And new data store. Then this is a VMPS database disk or LUN. So if anyone knows hardware, LUN is what? That is a, we have to divide in LUN, we attach the hard disk, many hard disks, and then distribute it, the size. So we select a VMFS, virtual machine file system, then select on the next. Then give the name of this data center. For example, any name if you want, for example, data store or what exchange store or any ABC company, ABC. Yes, PC store, domain controller, or exchange store, exchange server, storage, exchange server, storage. And then click on the next. Let this going to continue this. So what? Okay. EMFS. Next. So recently we have not any storage. This is a VMware lab. So if we have an extra hard disk or if you have a LUN in a real environment, then only you create this storage here. But how create? That is go to the data center and then right click here and then create a storage, and then new data store. But here in this practical sessions, we will not create a new data store. Only the data store they have provided, that only we will see that this is the storage they are given. From this storage, they are given this 38 GB space or 40 GB space that in a previous session, this much is allocated, this much is free. So these are the storage. The second concept is switches. How they are giving me the network. So those two, this is the network. In network, right click here. Right. So goes to network. In network, we need to go to the distributed switch. This is the option, distributed switch, and click on the new distributed switch. So that is the same, that is a Cisco or D-Link switch. So this is the switch. If you need to give the name of the switch, you need to give the name of the switch. For example, I'm giving the name of the switch is first floor. The switch is for the first floor. Then next. After that, which one? Which version of the switch? So this is the version 7.0 ESX. Click on the next. Then how many uplink? By default, 4 link we take 100, 200, 300. This is a virtual switch, so there is no issue. So depend upon requirement 4, 5, 6, and we have to modify it. So we need to create a switch here. Then click on the next. So these are first floor. These are version, number of uplink 5, network input output control enabled. So we are creating a switch. And after that, we click on the finish. Ready to complete, finish. So after this, again, if you go to here region, so this is the Windows machine. For example, we need to check how the machine is looking. So we just check here. Launch remote control. Launch remote control. So they will create a Windows machine for you. So we'll do a lab session. So what I try to explain you in this lab session, that is in background, how the private cloud is working, and in public cloud, how AWS manages in background all the things. When we go to the practical in AWS, yes, we'll create a switch, we'll create a port, we'll create a, but in background, how these people are managing the thing that I'm trying to show you. And when you create a private cloud, then you need to manage all the things. So these are the VMware lab. Clear? Any doubts, any question? Yes, we will definitely explain all the things in AWS lab session, but these are the overview of the private cloud. Any doubts, any question? Clear. So today, the time is 7:30. So we have a sufficient time. So I'm just closing this. Today, everyone create a AWS account. For that AWS account, you need your debit card or credit card. If anyone have a credit card, it is very good. If anyone does not have a credit card, then you need to debit card. In AWS, they will provide you both options, either debit card or credit card. I have already created my account, so I will guide you how to do that step by step. Otherwise, one person share me the screen. Otherwise, basic thing I will show you. I'm just closing this session. Yes. accounts. So please arrange debit card, credit card, and then I will show you how to create account in AWS, free account in AWS. And once your account will be created, then we will start the practical things, all the practical things, all the things till now I have explained you in theoretical. SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure, private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, whatever the thing, router, switches, SNAC card, modems, storage, virtual machine, virtual server, everything I will show you in a AWS. So, but before that, we need to create an account. So just type here Google. It's a very simple. Go to the Google and here type AWS. How many month validity? Like 12-month validity. And if you and their validity and dollar also, and they will mention in the when you create an account, they will show you how much validity, but 12-month validity. But before doing any practical, if once you've done the practical, please delete the machine. If you not delete the machine, then it will charge you. So once you do the practical, please delete the machine. And again, when you come on tomorrow, then again start. Shashi Bindu, raise the hand. Shashi, yes, Shashi. What AWS? Shashi, please type in chat box. AWS account. You just type here AWS account. And in that option, when you go to this is an account AWS. Everyone, how much participant today? 55. So everyone, please open google.com in browser at Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and type here AWS account, because we all people are in same page, then only we'll start the practical session in a good manner, right? So everyone, I need assume that is everyone on the same page, then only I start. So please go to the google.com and type AWS account. But still I got bill approx 450. See, why we got 4? See, for example, my validity is 1 year and they had given some dollars, for example, 300, 500. And but if you do not delete your machine and if you already expend your limit, then of course it will charge. But if you not, but they will give you the warning message. In email also you will receive one message that is your limit. Now your limit will be expired soon. So please be charged or please delete your machine. Anything. If they give you the warning message, please remove or please delete your virtual machine. This is my first month. See, it does not matter that this is your first month or only 1 week. If I created account in today and today only if I created a lot of virtual machines, lot of router, lot of switches, lot of anything, and I have not deleted that, I have not stopped the services, then of course after 2 or 3 days it will expire and they will give me the bill. The thing is that either your limit will be expired, either you cross your limit or you cross your duration, anything. Otherwise, you stop the machine. If you stop the machine, they will not charge anything. If your bill will not extend it, they will not charge anything. Yes, but if your bill will extend, if you cross the limit, then of course they will charge you. The thing is that remind in mind that is in free session, don't try to cross the limit. Do the practical, remove everything. Again, when you sit, again delete everything, create. For creation and deletion, it will not take so much time. But this is my recommendation. But if you not delete or if you not stop the services, then of course their countdown is started. But I delete my data. Okay, means you say we just do our practical, then delete it. Yes, do the practical. This is my recommendation. That is, do the practical, delete the things. It's a simple. And again, when you come, otherwise, in Saturday, Sunday, do the practical continuously and then delete that machine. So all the thing is that don't cross the limit. If you cross the limit, then they will charge. So go to the google.com. You are very good. That is, you know how to create an account. So go to the Google AWS account. I don't have credit card, then use debit card. In AWS, both facilities available. either credit card or debit card, right? This is a very challenge for people. That is, mostly people are not credit card. So AWS will provide both the feature, either credit card or debit card. In Microsoft, mostly they are providing only the credit card feature, but in AWS, both credit card and debit card is acceptable. So then click on the account AWS. Once we will click on the AWS, then click on the sign in. Everyone in this page say yes or no. Go to the google.com, type AWS account. From the top, second link, yes. Then sign into the console. I have already, so when you click on the sign into the console, first one over google.com. Yes. Yes, and wait, please take your debit card, credit card, then click here, create account AWS. Today, in this 2 hour session, everyone first create an account. Once you create an account, then it is very easy for me also and you also do the practical. This is 24/7 lab is available. Whenever you will free, start your practical. There is no time limitation, yes, but we need an account. I created an image. I will show you all the things. So don't, in this stage, just focus, create an account. Once your account will be created, then we start the lab session and I will show you how to do all the things. So don't worry, I will show you how to move the regions, how to create a servers in a different region. So no issues. But today, everyone, I need to create an account. No option available of sign into the console. First create an account, then I will show you. In google.com, AWS this page. Either sign into the console, sign into the console. I have already create a new AWS account. Click on this, create a new AWS account. Everyone, please go to the google.com, type AWS account, then on the top, there is a console option, click on the console option, and then create a new. I'm again showing you. That is AWS account. Then this one, HTTPS AWS Amazon.com account. This is a recommended URL. And in that, these are the things, account, billing, payment. If you want, you read all the things. Then sign into the console. Sign into the console. If you have already account, then directly log in. If you don't have account, then create a new account. Create a new AWS account. No option available of sign into the console. Again, I'm showing, otherwise show your screen. See, google.com, type google.com. Simple 2 steps. Google.com, then type AWS account. AWS account. And enter. Right? Once you enter, click on here. Otherwise, I'm giving you this URL. Copy this URL, share you in a chat box. C and P. So let's go to this URL. What to choose? Just wait. No, don't go so fast. I will show you all the things. Personal, select personal, not business. So sign into the console. Click on the sign into the console. Everyone in this page, say yes or no. Because this is, I think, 56% today. So everyone on this page, if yes, say yes, very good. If anyone facing still difficulties, then create a new AWS account. Then create a new AWS account, then your email address. Whatever the thing they are asking, just type here, verify email address, then they will send you an email, and there is a OTP things is coming, then fill the forms, then after that they will ask you the credit card detail, debit card detail. Okay, if you have not laptop today, then do this thing tomorrow, but just see how people are doing. If you have a mobile phone, then you also do in mobile phone. That is not an issue, but if you try to do in mobile phone, the same thing you will also do in mobile phone also. Because only internet required. That is not compulsory that is laptop required or desktop required. You can do from mobile phone also. So just fill the form. I did not get the previous page, root user and for. Root user and for which page? See, actually, just go to this URL. Open this URL directly. Don't do anything. Just open this URL. When you open this URL, for example, if I open this URL, this Google for same, right? Whatever thing showing in my screen, then it will show you your screen also. So click on the complete sign up page. Then create a new account, create a new AWS account. If you have already tried something, then your page will be some different, but mostly whatever the thing they are asking, just fill it. Simple, it's a very, very simple form. Your name, your email address, account name, AWS account name, for example, I need my account name AWS, my email address, for example, anmol@hotmail.com. I have already selected something, so just type here Anmol, right? Then verify email address. So they will send me the code in verification. Go to your hotmail.com, type the code, then click on the verify. Then again they have to ask some form, fill the things, give the proper address. That address present in your debit card. If your address and debit card address mismatch, then they will not create your account. So whatever the things you are filling, fill properly and correct. If you say that is I will mismatch, so that is not possible. And your debit card will be activated debit card. It's not that is if you use your old debit card, then also it will not work. Because I have also tried one time, that is my old debit card that is not activated. It shows me the error message. It is not activated. Please use another debit card. So your debit card will be. So they will charge for 2 rupees. After creation of this account, they will charge 2 rupees for account means for verification. That is, this card is already activated or not. Sometimes people say try to, that is old debit card. For security people, that is unsecure. They are feeling unsecure, so they are using a old debit card. Or the debit card that is not working, or credit card that is not working. So they will give you the message, warning message, this card is not activated. So it's a very, very simple form. In comparison to Microsoft Azure also, it's simple. So fill the things, all the things properly, one by one, and take us some 10 minutes, 15 minutes. How do you plan to use AWS? They will already give you in the planning parts. Just see that is a free plan. If you want basic plan, select the basic plan. The word is a basic plan. Click on the basic plan. Basic plan is a free plan. Don't go. There are 3 plans in screen. They will show you. basic plan, developer plan, and business plan. If you want, then you will take a help from here also. It's not, but I will show you some help here. If you go to the youtube.com, because mostly people are freshers, and I will not show you to share my your screen because it's a debit card thing. So it's a security purpose. No one can share debit card number, right? And I'm not interested also. Right? So no issues. So if you see, like, and here type here, create AWS account, create account in AWS. Create account in AWS. So this is a very good article. Yes, I'm sharing the URL. If anyone facing difficulties, please go to this YouTube.
Ad-free secure email for teams of all sizes. We Soho Mail.
So this is the URL.
Hi, I'm Srikanth Verma.
Just control V. Take help of this YouTube. They will give, they showing all the step-by-step things, how to create account in AWS. Take help if you are not still able to create, then only take this help. Otherwise, it's a very, very simple form. Just simple form, but please provide all the details correct. The address, whatever the address present in your debit card in your bank, that address you fill. Whatever the name present in your debit card, that name only fill in the form. So they will give you the code, one verification code, and once, and plan is basic plan. Select basic plan. Sharing some new documents. So first, that is email address, your password, your confirm password, account name, then click on the continue. After that, they ask you professional or personal. In professional, personal, select personal. Your phone, sir, it is asking business or personal. Personal, it's a personal. Everyone, I'm typing here. The type is personal. Personal. Okay. Then address, you know everything, postal code, everything. Then check here to indicate. Then payment. In payment information, they will ask you your credit card number or debit card number. So fill your credit card detail, debit card detail. Then they will generate some caption and fill that. Confirm your identities. Verification code they will send. Is the verification code. Then in support plan session, select the basic plan. Support plan, select basic plan. And they will ask you, I have given you a video. If you see that video, then everything they have shown in a step by step. My role is, in my role, just type it on temporary basis, IT administrator, IT administrator. I am interested in which software is used before the DC labs you are showing. Can you give me the name? It's a VMware. It's a VMware. VMware, in VMware we created a machine, and in DC we are using a Windows OS. If anyone completed, please in chat box say completed. Write your name and dash completed. So I will prepare one Excel file. So Aditya Kumar, very good. First person, Aditya Kumar, completed. So Which one? VMware. This is a practical lab session. It is a free. No issue. I will show you all the things in AWS. So don't so much take attention of that lab. That is only for that I'm using that lab for only to show you the private cloud name and status. That is first focus to create account in AWS because we need to show you all the things in AWS. So just type your name and then which Narendra. Done, right? Mr. Done. Ashisha. And label. Shape. Shipment. Let's check shipment. Kalpana. Ashisha. Gone. Country India. Aditya Kumar is the first person who just write down Aditya name. Insert. Yeah. Aditya. If any colleagues is sitting on your right and left hand side, please help to create an account. Otherwise, no issues. Okay, so what is 11 pages in? Shashi Bindu, no. Shashi Bindu, no. Shashi, any difficulty? Please see that video that I have shared you. Also, I have steps. Kumar, personal, right? Suraj Kumar, can I create it from my mobile? So yes, of course. You create it from mobile phone, laptop, desktop, anywhere. With Kumar or return this. Actually, right now, my pass. Okay, no issues. Do from mobile. Yes, Shashi, try to create account from mobile. No, not with the previous page root user at all. Sukriti again, from start, go to the google.com and paste that URL. If any colleagues is sitting on your side, just take a help. But this process is for same, right? Why I'm not asking to share your screen because I don't need to see your debit card detail. I had already shared you the YouTube video, right? Try take the help from that also if you want. But it is a very simple form. Don't think that it is any complex here. No go to create account. Business and personal. No. Wash. Patil. plan, that is a basic plan. I have not done it, sir. Arbaz, we have already done it. So Arbaz have not done it. Arbaz, just one Arbaz. I have a RuPay card, right? It's a big challenge, RuPay card. They're not allowing RuPay card. I also tried RuPay card, but RuPay card they are not allowed. That is a master visa. Please take your any relatives card, any friends card. Inform that is I need to create an account in AWS. Because yesterday I also tried for one student RuPay card, but it's not taking RuPay card. So it's a challenge. Yes, RuPay card is not supported. So what do we do then? Then we just ask your colleagues, friends, relatives, parents if they have any master visa card. If I'll watch the process later, I will do so. Okay, very good. That is area and instead I have already showed that is my role, IT administrator. I am interested in DevOps. Anything you select that does not matter, but mostly select this. This is a common IT administrator and interested in DevOps. I'm interested. They have said they charge not one USD, 2 rupees, I think. 2 rupees, like 2 rupees they have. If you see that video also, in video also 2 rupees, I think. If you're not a master visa card, you can use the ICICI Bank Pocket Virtual Debit Card. So very good, Aditya. Anyone have ICICI Bank Pocket Virtual Debit Card? Just try. Very good. Just try this option. It will be helpful for you. So, what about international RuPay debit card? See, actually, I have also RuPay card. Yesterday, I have tried with the help of RuPay card, but it's not taking RuPay card. So, international RuPay debit card, I don't know, but I have selected RuPay card. Rupees 2 deductible, and after confirmation, you get back your 2 also. Very good, right? But for checking purpose, they are deducted 2 rupees. This card is activated or not. So 11 people confirmations till now I have received, and total how much total? It's 55 participants. Some 2 or 3 participants and also share has given me the confirmation done. Does Visa code? Yes, Visa card is yes supported Visa card, Mastercard. In screen also they have shown that is Visa card, Mastercard. It's supported. Please tell me what and how to create. There was a network issue at home. You try it from your phone network, mobile. Mostly people today that is Android phone. So use your mobile. Network issue, then do tomorrow. Because in cloud, first thing is network. If you don't have a network, then it is very difficult to manage AWS, Microsoft, Google, IBM, any cloud. So internet is the first requirement in cloud. So try from your laptop, phone, mobile, and if network is not working, then wait some time. I will do it tomorrow. Okay, do it tomorrow, no issues. But if you do it today, then it is very good for me. So I know that you have completed, but if there is some issue, then please do it tomorrow. No issue. But from the next Saturday, everyone please enroll your name in AWS. Please register your name in AWS because next Saturday I will show you AWS lab and recap is very difficult. Already I have recapped many sessions from this theoretical session, but in practical session recap is very difficult. So please request you all that is please create your AWS account till next Saturday. On next Saturday, from next Saturday, I will continually start your AWS practical. Because we have already spent many times, lot of times in theoretical lecture. So now we'll totally focus in practical. The credit card information is not valid or is an unsupported type. See, actually, if your credit card is not working properly, so they will show you the error message. If your debit card is not working, then also it will show the error message. Because I have also tried one from my one debit card that is not working, but they show me the error message. I tried Rupee also, and in Rupee also they showed me the error. So it's working, then also it's showing the error message. So just check your debit card, credit card is working or not. It's working, then what? Again, try to create account. If your debit card is working or credit card is working, then also it's showing the error message. Then again, close your browser, try in different browser. But I don't think so. It will. This is type of issue. But just try close your Google Chrome, open in Edge. Or if you try using in Edge, then close your Edge, open in Google Chrome. 13 student, 13 attendance. I received a confirmation. It's a Rupee card. So you are saying that is Rupee card is acceptable in AWS. If Rupee card is acceptable in AWS, it is very good for us. I don't know. I already have my account. It's very good. If you have already account, it is very good. No need to do anything. Just help your colleagues, your friends. So Shivam done. So Jay, Rupee card is acceptable. Please check. It is acceptable. Very good. My Rupee card is not supported. Please check Rupee card is supported or not because no space between Hemant. Yes, space. Don't give any space. Hemant Kumar. Okay, this for this Excel file. I have account, but they are showing is limits is over for months. So how can use it now this account? Okay. You have another debit card. If you have another debit card, enroll with that debit card. Already spend your limitation, otherwise they will charge you. You have two cards, both are Rupee. Again, inform that how to create AWS account. Simple, how to create AWS account. I have already shared the URL. If you have that URL, otherwise go to this URL. Try to log in. Fill the form. Simple form. This is a very simple form. Go to step by step and fill the form. Otherwise, go to the Google, type AWS account. Again, I am trying to give you the URL. Google AWS account. URL. Then complete sign up. Click on the complete sign up. So this is the Excel file. Please check your name in this list. If your name is not present in the list, please provide your name. So I'll add your name. Sir, my both card is not working. Both are rupee card. Let's check if your any friends, relatives, parents have any Visa card, MasterCard. So Anshuman Moti. Yes, you can use your other person card, but to give the name in the login name, just type their details. It does not matter, you can use it, but in detail section, just fill their details and log in with their ID. That is not an issue. Only we need to do the practical. Root user or I am user? I am user. Select I am user. There are two different types of user in AWS. Root user and I am user. The difference is that the root user is created when the AWS account is created, and I am user are created by the root user. So select root user. Root user is the main user. You type 2 times Narendra. Okay, 2 times Narendra. Good. Narendra. Arbas. Just try. Yes. Okay, Kukula is the surname. Right. What's the name? Akhil. Okay. Kesh. So only 20 people till now. And root user, root. Select root user. Okay. Total participant is 50. Will leave 2 to 3 people, management people, then also the data is very less, count is very less. 22 people have given their confirmation. Raj Chauhan, what, sir, what? Say yes or no, Raj. Completed or not completed? I have done. Okay. I have done with everything, but at the end. But at the end. What? But at the end, what? You are facing some issues? But Raj, you have completed or not? Done. I don't think Raj has completed. Madhulika. Okay. The payment method cannot be verified. Check your information. So your card is active. Your card is active. Just check. Yes. And it's a what? Visa card, MasterCard. MasterCard. Just close your browser and again open the browser. Check in different browser. Clear cache. These type of things, and then try again. You're saying your card is also working properly. So only these two things. Mostly there is issue in card or clear your browser and then check. Then clear. Message from SBI. Message. What you have received message? Let's read that message. It's a code or what? OTP. So 25 people give their confirmation and we are waiting. Approximate 20 or above than 20 people are still, they have not given their confirmation. Yes, any difficulties you are facing? Rest people, only 25 people give their confirmation. And what about remaining? See, there is only requirement that is debit card or credit card. Any in AWS, any you can use either debit card or credit card. Second thing, MasterCard, Visa card. Okay. Just check if you have some another debit card or any parents debit card or any colleagues debit card, any friends debit card. Your customer SBI debit card ending this is deactivated. Then how will you do? It's a deactivated for domestic e-com transaction. So you just try another debit card. There is some issue in your debit card. Domestic e-com transaction. You get SMS. Just send SMS. Wait some time. Let's see. Otherwise, mention mine. Otherwise, use another debit card. Suraj. And wait, Raj, sometime. Otherwise, if you have some another debit card, then try another debit card. Only banking facility not allowed. On what is ONL9 banking? What is this ONL9? Please write in detail ONL9 banking facility not allowing. What is the meaning of this? What is ONL9? Online banking facility not allowing. Why? Just check with some another debit card. Maybe some issues in debit card. Okay, no issues. And wait, Raj, respond with me. Raj. Also. So 27 people have given their confirmation. Rest, because mostly Saturday I will not entertain to create account. Saturday from the start the session I will show you the practical. Today everyone please create your AWS account. If any issue then create tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but complete before next Saturday. Because when we join in next Saturday, I will start practical session. And in that session, I will not entertain you, or you will also not ask me the question that is how create account in AWS. So please request to everyone that is please create your AWS account. If you have any issues, card issues, please do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Take your friends, parents, relatives, any card. But please fill the details, address, proper that are present in your card, debit card. If your address in debit card is different and you are filling that some different address, so it should, maybe it should error message. Or name also, write the same name. It does not matter that is from which ID you are logging in AWS, but fill the detail properly. Abel, my suggestion. Sir, yes, sir. My any suggestion for what? Go to SBI Bank and activate economic facility. Maybe your problem will be solved. This SMS to Raj. Okay, yes, Raj. Let's try this thing. Please try this thing. Go to the SBI. Just inform. I'm facing this issue. Maybe SBI will help you. So 28 people have give their confirmation. Raj is pending, but we'll try something. Go to the SBI. Recordings. Definitely, I will visit SBI. Very good. Yes, remaining people, please provide your confirmations. If you are facing any issues, then also ask me in chat. If possible, I will help you. Only the things that is your card. I am user. Yes, root user or I am user. I am user. Select I am user. Only here criteria is your debit card and credit card as in working condition, and that is MasterCard or Visa card. Mostly people are facing issue in rupee, so we use Visa card or MasterCard. Yes, 27. Only 27 people have give their confirmation. What about remaining people? So Subhash Chandra. Well, I have just written your name, Subhash. Subhash Chandra for 12 years. I have also issued. Okay, so pending. So here, done. System. Okay. More card. More is also pending, right? PK. But I'm also facing. PK. What is the name? PK of what? Please provide your full name. I'm only seeing PK. PK, please provide your name here. Write your full name. Praveen. Praveen, what Praveen? You have done or you have not done? Okay, Pardesi Kiran PK. So 33. Chandramohan card issue. Okay. Chandramohan. Praveen and bank. Yes, 34 record. Participant 46. Maybe some participant leave session. Root user is not taking email. Root user. Why? Again try. Maybe you are doing something wrong. See, it doesn't matter Access card or ICICI, HDFC, that is a MasterCard or Visa card. In card, what is written? MasterCard, Visa card, Praveen, is there? Pawan, spending. Oh, debit card, no. MasterCard or Visa card. In debit card, what is written? MasterCard, this card is MasterCard or Visa card. So debit card, but in debit card, there is a symbol, Visa card or MasterCard. What is your card? MasterCard or Visa card? Which types of card? RuPay. See, RuPay card, you need support. RuPay card is, India launches RuPay card, right? It's not, so there is some difficulty. And this MasterCard, Visa card is internationally mostly country acceptable. So maybe this is the issue in RuPay card. Ashwini Kumar done. Ashwini. It's not info. Right. So, so 39. What about remaining? See, that is 44 participants. Everyone provide their name here. If anyone have not provided, please provide me the name. If you are facing issue, then provide me the name. If you are not facing, if you have completed, then provide the name. Please see, I am showing these names I have written. Just read your name if your name is present here or not. If your name is not present here, you are facing an issue, please provide me your name. If you have already done and the name is not present, then also provide me the name. Facing issue, Patel, Jay Patel. Jay. Pending. Anshuman, what is the issue? Still face issue for account creation. Which types of issue you are facing? You are facing issue, it's correct, but what is the issue? What is the error message you are receiving? Anshuman, please write the error message. What error message you are receiving? Of course, debit card से payment कर सकते हैं. Anshuman, what is the error message? Anshuman pending, right? Anshuman. Why? Many people are trying, right? Many people are trying root user, right? And email is acceptable, right? Hello? How many people are selected root user and given their email address? Yes, so one question for everyone. So email is acceptable, right? In root user, right? Yes. So why, Anshuman, you are doing something wrong or your email address? Because root user is a main user. We need to select a root user, right? After root user, we will create IAM user. IAM user are created by the root user. So 43, 42 people have given their name. Please check your name. If your name is not present here, please provide me your name. If you have done, then also. If you have not done, then also. But your name should be here. For recording purpose, I need your name here. That is either you have done or you have not done. Help me to get account. Which help? What help? What is the error message? Please give me the error message. Then only I will guide you. Anshuman Monti. What is the error message you are facing? Class done, yes. See, actually, mostly I don't assume that is today. It's time to show you anything practical because today will red color email is not valid. What is the meaning of red color? Red color, blue color. What is this? So you just type your email address perfectly, correctly. If you have done something wrong in email address, your email address is working properly or not. You are able to send and receive email from that email address. For example, if I'm typing a wrong email address in that, yes, it shows the error message. Please type your activated email address. Please give the exact detail, correct detail. If you're giving a wrong detail, of course, it will show the error message. If you are typing, if I'm typing wrong email address, then it shows me the error message. Please mention correct email address. Yes, right. Simple thing, correct email address. From debit card, credit card, RuPay, I understand. But for email address, if you're getting error message, then you are the IT people. Please type correct email address. Jaya completed, right? It's right here. Yes, please create a new email address if you are not solving. So the record goes to 43. Dolly pending. Anyone name is not present in Excel file? If your name is not present in Excel file, please provide your name. If you have done, then also provide me the name. If you have not done, then also provide me the name. If you are facing any issue, please discuss your issue in group chat. Because this is the last session to create an account. After that, we will not discuss how to create an account and how to solve for account creation issues. On Saturday, next Saturday, we will start the practical session. So I'm asking many times, please create an account. If you face any issue, just discuss. If not solved today, then solve it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but before Saturday. So please see, check your name present in this Excel file or not. If your name is not present in this Excel file, please provide me your name. So I will enter your name here. Just see if your name is present here or not. If your name is present, it is very good. If your name is not present, please provide me your name. Because when participant is 50 showing when I joined, but now I have received only this 44 records. So everyone name is present here. I assume everyone name is present here, or anyone who is available in this session, who was available in this session, but they have not given me their name. If you not given me name, I will not ask in the next session. So please provide your name. Maybe I will help you if you are facing any issues. So please provide your name. Either it is pending or it's completed. Both cases. Yes. So everyone have given their name. Say yes, no. Now some people are left also from this session. No issues. Next Saturday, on the start of first minute, that is 7 p.m. IST, I will start the practical lab in AWS, and that all the level recap is not available in lab session. So please available on time and complete all your account login things before Saturday. WhatsApp number, please to help me. Your WhatsApp number, how my WhatsApp number help? Secretly, I don't know WhatsApp number help. But if you have any issues, please ask in group chat. I don't know WhatsApp numbers. The WhatsApp number is allowed or not. But if you have any issues, please guide me to create account. Which types of guidance you want? Go to the google.com. In google.com, type AWS account. I've already shared the URL in AWS account. Please fill all the detail. It's a simple form. Please fill all the details, give your debit card details, and then submit it. What is the error message you are receiving? Anshuman, what error message you are receiving? When you are trying to fill the form, what error message you are receiving? Hello, Anshuman. When you are trying to fill the form, what error message you are receiving? In root, your email is showing not valid. So please create a new email account. If it's showing the new email address is not valid or anything, create a new email. It's only take a 2 to 3 minutes to create an email account. Please create a new email account in Gmail and just provide that email account. It's a very simple issue. So please create a Gmail account, new Gmail account, and provide that Gmail account. For debit card, credit card, Visa card, I really user have facing this issue, and they will discuss their colleagues, parents, and take another card. But for this very simple issue, just create a new email account and provide that email account in AWS form. So they will send you an OTP on that email address, and then you just send that code in the AWS form. Just try to create a new email address and check and update me. Create an email account. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes, right? For create an email account. Anshuman, we are waiting for your updates. Please create a new email account and let's check and update me the status. So everyone have given their name. Mostly I assume that everyone have given the name. If their name is not present here, so I don't know. And why? So I assume that is everyone have given the name. So I assume that is 44%. 44 people are present in this session. We'll see you next week. Yes, we'll see you next week. Just only 8 minutes are left. So if you want to sit here, sit. Otherwise, yes, we'll meet on next week. If anyone have not given their name, please again give the name. Thank you. So, Anshuman, please provide your name. Name means I have written that is in pending. Consumer is pending. Pending. Anshuman, please create your email address and let's try and give me the status. Please correct my name. It's a Samir. Samir. Where is Samir? Yes, correct. Samir. S-A-M-M-E-R. The name I've written. It's a Samir, right? S-A-O-K. S-A-double-N. S-A. So, 45. I'm saving this file. I assume everyone have given their name. Many times I had already asked you, please provide me the name. Root user, select root user. Root user is a main user and root user create IAM user they require. Root user, select a root user. So who is this Shubham? Shubham, I think you have not given his name, right? Shubham, your name is present in the list? I don't know. So Shubham, we have completed, right? Shubham, done. Let's filter, just check data. Filter. See, done. So, how much? 31, 30 people have completed, right? 30 people have done. And pending, that is 16 people. 16 people still pending. And total I have received the record here. That is 46. 46 people have given their name in this session. Okay. So everyone have given their name, right? If your name is not present, please inform me. If your name is present, it is very good. You have given me your name. So agenda of Saturday is, that is, I will show you how to create a groups in AWS, how to create user in AWS, how to provide different roles in user admin roles. Anshuman twice. Very good. Anshuman is twice. Control F. Anshuman, find next. Okay. Anshuman pending. Anshuman done. What is status Anshuman? Pending or done? I think pending, right, Anshuman? Anshuman, what is your status? Pending or done? What? Yes, pending or done? Writing pending. Okay. Just remove Anshuman from done path. Okay. So count become one, right? 29. So agenda of Saturday, next Saturdays, I will show you how to create a groups, how to create a user in AWS, how to create a group in AWS, how to assign a roles, admin role, EC2 roles, storage roles for the users, and how to log in AWS in your newly created user. So, and after that, if everyone have completed this thing, then I will show you how to create a machine, virtual machine, server machine, everything in AWS. So this is the agenda of next Saturday. And after that, continuously we will take a session and practical session in AWS, and side by side theoretical part also I will explain you, but mostly I will try to focus in practical. But yes, we will also complete theory part side by side. Anshuman again 3 times. Very good, Anshuman. So Anshuman is 3 times. Let's check. Okay. Why Anshuman 3 times? Anshuman pending. Anshuman pending. Anshuman pending. Anshuman facing a lot of issues, so many times I have written their name. It's so strange. Anshuman, please try to solve your issue as soon as possible.